Good morning. For today's daily cipher is Mark. Take the prize. 1,000,000 coins. For daily combo is kayo na po bahala. Hanapin nyo lang po. Ito po. Sa hamster tube. Sa PR team. Sa legal is anti-money laundering. Yes, ito po. Anti-money laundering. Then sa special naman is sa new cards. Ito si The Final Has Come. Okay? Like and share and subscribe and follow. Morning.